Read the story, highlight or underline the clues to the words in the text in the color each question states. Choose the best choice for the word's meaning. So when you come across the word pause, you're going to underline it in orange. When you come across the word avoid, blue. And then when you come across the word solution, you're going to underline it in yellow. This is called science class. Anna's favorite class was science. She always had fun doing experiments with her classmates. Today they were trying to figure out how many drops of water could fit on a penny. Anna's teacher told them to watch and pause, underline that in orange, before they overfilled their penny. If they didn't stop and look, the water would spill over onto the desk. Anna carefully counted her drops of water. She wanted to avoid, underline that in blue, overfilling her penny. If she could keep from adding too many drops, her desk would stay dry. At the end of class, Anna's teacher asked if anyone had the solution, underline that in yellow, to their problem. Anna's hand shot up in the air. She had the answer written on her big paper and was excited to share it. So number 1, what does the word pause mean in the story? A, to stop for a short period of time. B, to keep going. Or C, to never move again. Number 2, what does the word avoid mean in the story? A, to try something. B, to get as much of something as you can. Or C, to stay away from something. And number 3, what does the word solution mean in the story? A, a question. B, an answer to a problem. Or C, an experiment. Did you learn any other new words? If so, what did they mean? So as we were reading, were there any other words that you didn't quite know and you had to learn with your context clues? Write them down here and tell me what they meant. If you need to listen to this again and pause as you go, feel free to do that. Good luck. Make sure you put your name on your paper.